Hey Marcus, you gotta stay in your circle. That's not your circle. Marcus, stay on your circle. That one. You gotta stay on that one.
Judea.
Marcus, stay on your circle, boy.
Judea. Leo. Sit on your team. Haley. Okay.
So saan nakapunta eh? yung bata si Marcos.
Elizabeth.
Pinupunta niya lahat. Yung sa kanya okay. Saan talaga yan? Ate kaya si G.
Marcus. Where'd Marcus go?
He's on the other hand. Marcus, you gotta follow simple directions, bud.
Stay there.
You gotta stay there. You gotta line up.
Okay. You know, it's like spinning plates.